Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to withdraw crypto from your OKX to any other wallet or exchange. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently right now we are on the main application, and then from here all we have to do is simply go to the portfolio section on the bottom right. Once you click on here, you can see all the main buttons on the top that says buy, sell, deposit, and withdraw. So you can either choose directly from here, or you can specifically choose whichever cryptocurrency you might want to do so with the bottom right section. So as you can see, Solana or Tether USD. So from here, all we have to do is click on the withdraw button. And then from here, we're going to select whatever cryptocurrency you might want. So for example, Bitcoin. And as you can see right now in front of you, you can see the list where it says address book, exchange, unhosted wallets, or OKX users. Simply click on the address book or exchanges. Now from here, all you have to do is click on the withdraw reminder and then select swipe. And from here, all you have to do is paste in the address that you would want to have. And then once you do that, all you have to do is click on next, select whatever amount you would like, and then withdraw. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.